In this video, you'll learn how to book a refundable hotel on Agoda, step by step, so you can travel with a bit more peace of mind. By the end, you'll know exactly what to look for and how to avoid getting stuck with a non-refundable reservation. Let's start right from the beginning, searching for hotels on Agoda. Open the Agoda website or app, and on the home screen, you'll see the main search bar. Type in your destination, select your check-in and check-out dates, and adjust the number of guests and rooms if needed. Take a moment to double check your dates because even with free cancellation, some properties have specific cut-off times. Once everything looks correct, tap or click the search button to see the list of available hotels. Now that you have your search results, you'll probably see a long list of properties with different prices, ratings, and deals. To make sure you only see options that offer flexibility, you'll want to open the filters section. On the website, this is usually at the top or on the side of the results page. On the app, it's typically a button labeled filter or something similar above the hotel list. Go ahead and tap or click that to open up all the filtering options. Inside the filter section, you'll see different categories such as price range, star rating, guest rating, and more. Here, the key filter you're looking for is free cancellation. Scroll until you find the cancellation or booking policy filters. When you see free cancellation, select it. This tells Agoda to only show you properties that offer some form of refundable or flexible cancellation policy. After you've selected it, apply or save the filter so the results refresh. Once the results reload, you'll be looking at hotels that offer free cancellation in some way. But it's still important to pay attention to the specific policy details. Choose a hotel that clearly states it has a refundable policy. Click into a hotel you're interested in to open its full details page. Here, scroll down to the room options and look closely at the text near each room type. You'll usually see phrases like free cancellation, refundable, or free cancellation until date. Make sure the room you select has that wording and note any deadlines or conditions. Some deals might be partially refundable or only refundable up to a certain date or time, so read that section carefully before continuing. After you've found a room with a cancellation policy you're comfortable with, it's time to complete the booking. Select the room and move on to the booking page. Here, you'll enter the guest details exactly as they appear on your identification and review the stay dates, room type, and total price. Before you confirm, look again at the cancellation and refund policy summary on this page. Agoda usually shows a short version near the price or payment section. Confirm that it still says free cancellation or refundable and check the last date you can cancel for a full refund. Now choose your payment method and fill in the required details. When everything looks correct, submit the booking. You should receive a confirmation on screen and by email or in the app. Keep that confirmation handy and consider bookmarking or saving the cancellation policy so you know the deadline if your plans change. That's it. You've successfully booked a refundable hotel on Agoda using filters and policy checks to protect your flexibility while you travel.